Hey, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite with a Bluetooth controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is, first we need to connect a Bluetooth controller to our PCs. This process is mostly the same across all versions of Windows. All you have to do is open up the control panel, and over here in the control panel, look for Bluetooth. You should see under the devices and printers, add a Bluetooth device. Click this option and immediately you are going to see the Bluetooth and devices window pop up. Like I said, I am on Windows 11, so this might look visually different, but the process is the same. Look for the button. If you are on Windows 10, look for the button that says Add Device. Now, turn on your controller and make sure it's in pairing mode. Since this is different for every single controller, I can't teach you how to do this. However, each controller has its own manual and way to make sure it's pairing. As you can see, my controller has been detected and I can simply select it from the device list and it's going to give me this pop-up. Your device is ready to go. You might get a Windows notification telling you that it's being set up and whatnot, but as long as it's properly connected, as you can see, you will be able to go back to Fortnite and start using your controller as long as it's connected through Bluetooth and picked up by your computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on PC using a Bluetooth controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.